Hello guys! This is Curly V and welcome back to my channel. So today's vlog is about my curly hair. So skip muna tayo sa curly hair products and curly hair routine. It will be about my skincare routine. Magpakita ko sa inyo what products I use and how I use it, of course. So naisip ko siyang gawin say I was about to cleanse my face. Nung nag-a-apply na ako ng first product, I realized that I could record it and share it with you guys. So the first product that I am going to share with you is this Atomy Deep Cleanser. I really like this, especially when I use makeup during the day, and it's really good. Talagang matatanggal yung makeup mo. Naglagay na ako pero I have to add a little bit more and pupunasan ko siya. So that was the first product. And then after that, I will be using foam cleanser. Still Atomy brand. Atomy foam cleanser. And then Atomy toner, paint toner. I love this one. Trying to reach because it's nighttime, I will be using their Atomy Absolute Ampoule. Did I pronounce it right? After the ampoule, nutrition cream. Okay, curly friends, simulan natin sa deep cleanser. Apply this Atomy deep cleanser on your dry face and gently massage in circular motion. This deep cleanser helps to dissolve not just makeup but also any impurities that builds up from the pollutions we're exposed to in our daily environment. It's important that you wash your face at night even if you don't wear makeup, because the moisturizers and sunscreens and other things that you put on your face in the morning can mix with dirt and free radicals that is in the air. So you want to make sure your face is clean and protected before putting your face on your pillow at night. You can wash your face with warm water if you like, but I prefer to use washcloth and gently wipe it off. Can you see that? I didn't even wear makeup today. Now the next product is foam cleanser. Mix a pea-sized amount of foam cleanser with wet hands and work onto a really rich lather and apply it onto your face. Or you can use a facial cleansing brush like the one I'm using. Just make sure your face is sufficiently wet in order to form the bubbles into a really good foam. Then after a few minutes, rinse off with water and pat dry. The third product is toner. Make sure to apply the toner onto damp skin rather than dry skin for increase of absorption and effectiveness. I like putting it directly onto my face and use the tips of my fingers instead the palm, so the majority of the products goes onto my face. Walang sayang. Next is the ampoule. Like the toner, I like putting this ampoule directly onto my skin. Pump out a sufficient amount based on your skin's need. Apply evenly over your face and neck. This ampoule is infused with exclusive technology to reverse the signs of aging. And the fifth product is nutrition cream. Apply this on your face and gently spread outward and upward. For dry skin, this nutrition cream can be used both day and night for additional moisture. And one more thing, don't forget your sunscreen. Yes, you heard that right. Even it's nighttime, it's important to apply sunscreen because free radicals doesn't disappear at night. It's everywhere, 24/7. Even though there's no UV rays at night, this is a good additional layer to protect your skin from free radicals and also additional layer to moisturize your skin. And of course, I'm using my Atomy sunscreen. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it helps you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure to turn on your notification bell down below to stay updated when I post the next video, and
I will see you guys next time. Be happy, be confident, be you. Bye!